chase girls, chase dreams first.
So, Wakeology trip, day 5. We woke up a little later than we expected to. Party lasted a little too long, got a little crazy, some people got hurt.
Dude, freaking nuts. I don't know. I'm at an awe. I'm hurting, dude. Look, there it is. All the other dudes broke like an arm and a leg and another leg, and I came out golden.
But you know, we got some good doctors in the world. We did boat set all day. We got some demos done. What else? Oh yeah, we finally got down to hitting the how long is that thing? Finally got down to hitting the 68-foot flat bar. Me and Wallace got a double set on it. Nads went out there and shredded it by himself. And hit this A-frame at night a little bit. Got one full pull, but I had the shutter set down at a quarter shutter, so it turned out a little blurry. But it's still pretty cool for artistic value. Played Swamp Man. Just had a good time today, and we're gonna bounce out tomorrow, back out to Canyon Lake, hit up Texas Ski Ranch, river walk a little bit, and do some winching. Check you guys out later.